Okay, let's start the first chapter in chemistry, class 10. First of all, let us take the brief overview about our chapter. So, what are the topics we have? Right? Brief overview about the chapter. Introduction of the chapter. That means let us know what is chemical change or chemical reaction. What is chemical change and chemical reaction? Or let us discuss what are physical changes, chemical changes, etc. Then let us know writing chemical equation. Writing chemical equation. Along with we can balance the chemical equation. We need to balance the chemical equation. So here while writing we have to discuss some characteristic features of chemical reaction. What are those? Then how we can make more information about a chemical reaction and balancing and balancing the chemical equation balancing the chemical reaction equation. So then after we have to discuss types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. There are mainly four. There are mainly four types of chemical reactions here. The first one is chemical combination. Chemical combination. Second one, chemical decomposition. Chemical decomposition. Here, chemical decomposition takes place by three methods. That means in the presence of heat, in the presence of light, in the presence of electricity. In the presence of electricity, in presence of heat, we can call the thermal decomposition. We can call it is thermal decomposition. In presence of light, we can call the photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. We can call it is electrolysis. We can call it as electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition. Then we have the third chemical reaction is chemical displacement. Chemical displacement. Chemical displacement. Then the fourth one is uh, chemical double displacement. Chemical double displacement or double uh, decomposition. Sorry. Chemical double displacement or chemical decomposition. Then oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Additionally, we have to learn reversible, reversible and irreversible. Reversible and irreversible reactions. This is additional information, so which is very useful to you, right? So then after that we will discuss applications, applications of oxidation, applications of oxidation in our daily life, in our daily life. So these are the topics we have in our chapter chemical reactions and equations. This is the brief overview. This is the brief overview. Let us know what is chemical reaction or chemical change, some important terms. What are reactants, what are products, right? What are the conditions are required, and also we will discuss about the chemical reaction and chemical change. Then writing chemical equation, we can write a chemical reaction or a chemical change by using some atom by symbols, formulas, whatever. After writing, we need to balance the chemical equation. Characteristic features of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction has some has some characteristic properties. Sorry, some characteristic features. Let us discuss what are those characteristic features of chemical reactions. Then how can we make more informative? How can we understand more about a chemical reaction or a chemical equation? That chemical equation gives us the complete structure or complete information about a chemical reaction, balancing the chemical equation. With examples we will discuss. Then types of chemical reactions. So all are related, all are with activities, but here it is not possible to explain the each chemical reaction by doing activities because of no proper materials are available, right? Required some chemicals, test tubes, beakers, heating elements, heating substances. So here I don't have any. So just I will explain. You will understand very very well. So once you have to watch my previous videos, the old videos which are already uploaded last year, right? So just a little change will be happen in this chapters. Then chemical decomposition uh, takes place three methods by means the presence of heat, the presence of light, the presence of electricity, thermal decomposition, photolytic decomposition, or photochemical reaction we can call electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition. Chemical displacement, chemical double displacement, oxidation and reduction. Let us understand what is oxidation and what is reduction with the examples. Here some of the chemical reactions are reversible, some of the chemical reactions are non-reversible, or we can call irreversible reactions. Then finally application of oxidation in our day-to-day life, right? So these are the topics we have in the chapter chemical reactions and equations. Chemical reactions and equations.